In this video, I'll show you how to block adult website permanently in Microsoft Edge. So let me show you step by step. First up, after you open up your Microsoft Edge browser like this, go to this three dot, go to settings. After you open settings, go to privacy, search and services. So now go to security, scroll to down. So here is this option, use secure DNS. So turn this on. After you turn this on, now choose this one, choose a service provider, and then click on this option. So now choose the last option, clear browsing family filter. After you choose this one, so now close the browser and open the Microsoft Edge again. After you open it, go to this three dot again, go to settings again, go to this privacy, search and services again. So go to security again, then scroll to down. So under this option, you'll be able now to see this address has been added inside your Microsoft Edge browser. So this shows that now Microsoft Edge browser will block any adult website in your Microsoft Edge browser. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.